The tangible features. A tangible feature is something that can satisfy a prospect's identified needs. Tangible features are the fact that the prospects logically use to justify their emotional decisions. They include the descriptive characteristics of a product or service and the elements of the offer, including incentive. The features of a product or service are the characteristics we use to describe it. They are the attributes that can be compared to competitors. It is a tangible feature if it can be listed on an ad, a specification sheet, or a comparison chart, like this example on the right. These are all the features you can list and visitors can compare and check off. Your products and services have many features, so which one should you emphasize? If you list all your features, you will risk overwhelming visitors and hurting your conversion rate. You need to understand your prospects' needs and offer the information that helps them to move to the next step. In one of our website testing, we found different amounts of content work better or worse for different situations. In some situations, a minimalist page works best. In others, the highest converting page can be long and comprehensive. We should test that spectrum of content that works for our shopper. Testing your tangible feature lists, headlines, and benefit statements will show you which are the most important to emphasize. You will get a double benefit of lifting your conversion rates and revealing marketing insights to build on. Your tangible offerings can also be enhanced with incentive. The offer is one of the 3 direct marketing variables that you can use to improve your conversion rates. The other 2 are your target list or ads criteria and the creative copy and design. The offer is the entire package of features and incentive. Here are some examples. Do you know which incentive will generate the highest revenue and profit? Of course, you should test that. When testing incentive, you should calculate the conversion rates for each incentive offer and then determine the profit generated by each to determine which produce the highest return. Consider the following incentive options: 50% off, half off sales, buy one, get one free. Essentially, they are all the same offer, but one will perform better than the others. Incentive testing can provide potent insights into the offer that induce your prospect to act and maximize your revenue and profit.